I'm Maria from Mesa County Libraries. Thank you so much for watching. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint apples using paper plates. Let's begin. These are the things that you need. 2 paper plates, 2 sets of funny eyes, 2 sets of mouths, 2 pieces of green construction paper, 2 pieces of brown construction paper, a glue stick, a paintbrush, green paint, and red paint, and a pair of scissors. First, try to cut your paper plates in the shape of an apple. You can ask your grown-up for help. Next, paint your plates, one red, one green. Let it dry for a few minutes. While that's drying, start cutting out the funny eyes and mouth. Also, try to cut out the apple leaf and the stem using the green and brown construction paper. Once you have everything cut out and your plates are dried, start gluing on the funny eyes, mouth, leaf, and stem. If you want to learn more about apples, you can check out all kinds of fun books at the library. You can find more information in our website. Another great resource is ABC Mouse. Important note, this resource is available in the library only. Just search apples and you'll find different activities. Last but not least, to share your creation, upload a photo to our social media. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Light in your post. Thank you for watching.